This one's for number 2, finding the perimeter of a 60-degree slice of large 14-inch diameter pizza. So we're going to assume that this pizza is a normal circular shape, pardon me. Now with a diameter of 14, that then tells us that our radius will be 7 inches. Now if I have one piece of pizza, it says it's a 60-degree slice, so I know my angle is 60 degrees. So I can start to jot down a few things that I know. And we are looking for the perimeter of this piece. Now the first part of the perimeter is easy because we know that we can take the length of this radius and the length of this radius here. Those are both 7 units long. And what I'm going to need to find then is the length of that arc right there, the S, so that I can add up 7 to 7 and then whatever that arc length is on S. My first goal is to find S. Alright, so I'm going to use the formula arc length equals the angle in radian times radius. First problem I encounter is that my angle is currently given to me in degrees, okay, but we know that's I mean that to be in radian. So off to the side here, what I'm going to do is convert 60 degrees into radian times pi over 180. If you leave that as a fraction and you reduce everything down, you end up with pi over 3. So I'm going to go ahead and start over with my arc length formula using an angle in proper form, pi over 3, because that's a radian. And then my radius of that piece of pizza was 7. When I multiply this, I have 7 pi over 3. No reductions are possible on this one. And since we're going to go ahead and do the total perimeter, I'm going to have my calculator go ahead and tell me what that is in the decimal. So I have 7 pi divided by 3. Looks like about 7.33 if I go to 2 places. So I now know that that arc length is 7.33 in inches. So in total, since I wanted the perimeter, remember, what I do is I have the 7 from this radius here, and the 7 from the radius there. And then I also have the arc length here, which is just a little bit over 7, about 7.33. So I take the 7, the 7, the 7.33, add the 3 of those up, and we're looking at 21.33 inches. And that represents the perimeter of that piece of pizza.